Humidity rises, sweat becomes effort, and each Korowai step carries a token of memory shaped by the flight of a toucan bird overhead. Our stories pass between generations. Each voice shapes a memory, like the path of the toucan.
The rain begins! Aside! There, Toucan. We have it. Our strength.
Danger leaves subtle signs, and the Korowai read each warning token while a toucan bird falls silent above.
Food is shared equally. Every Korowai portion a unity token.
Night thickens, and the Korowai guard the fire token carefully as a toucan bird disappears into darkness. The forest offers medicine, and the Korowai gather a healing leaf where a toucan bird feeds. Teamwork strengthens survival as each Korowai action forms a unity beneath a watchful toucan bird. Balance is preserved carefully, and the Korowai take only a need revealed by a toucan bird's call.
Protect the fire.
The night sounds deepen.
Another sunrise arrives, and the Korowai hold a continuity, following once more the living signal of a toucan bird. Moist earth softens each step, and the Korowai read the ground like a living book, guided by a distant toucan bird. Mud paths vanish, yet the Korowai follow a memory shaped by generations and confirmed by a toucan bird.
Children, the toucan carries wisdom from the spirits.
Yes, its colors tell stories of our ancestors.
We begin calm, gathering strength.
Together, we transform effort into might.
And the toucan returns to us.
Shelter is reinforced high above ground as the Korowai secure a safety guided by a toucan bird's path.
The stars emerged just as the toucan guided us.
We are grateful for its swim.
It led us true.
Sleep arrives carefully, each Korowai dream holding a future shaped by the flight of a toucan bird.
Success is met with respect, guided by the toucan's presence.
This memory is our guide forever linked.
The toucan's flight
Another day completed, another chapter sealed, as the Korowai carry forward the eternal rhythm of survival guided by the toucan bird. Protect the fire, protect our survival.
The night yields, the fire endures.
It is gone, we remain.